Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Mitra from Indian Cybersecurity Solutions, CEO and founder. We are very glad that our family is increasing in leaps and bounds. Indian Cybersecurity Solution is not only helping students out there to learn cybersecurity and different technological things, even we are helping entrepreneurs to get into new business in different parts of India. So this is again an opportunity for us to collaborate with one of the company known as Infinity Lab, based out of Malappuram. So they are our virtual partners in the part of education, where we'll be providing certification trainings like CEH and OSCP and other trainings, CCNA, machine learning and other things. So happy to share that, and hope people from Malappuram get in touch with the Infinity Lab, and we can help them out in teaching them the necessary things. Thank you all.
Indian Cybersecurity Solutions is a technology-based risk assessment firm based out of Kolkata and Bangalore, with international offices in Canada, Australia, and Bhutan. Indian Cybersecurity Solutions has started its operation in 2015 in the field of providing cybersecurity and technical education, as well as providing cybersecurity consultancy to companies across the globe. We are happy to secure companies like KFC India, Titan India, Qatar Development Bank, Odisha State Pollution Control Board, Vidarbha Konkani Gramin Bank, West Bengal State Electricity Board, IRCTC, Sasta Sundar and many more. In 2021, Indian Cybersecurity Solutions has been acknowledged by Business Connect as the top 20 tech brands in India. In 2020, Indian Cybersecurity Solutions has been acknowledged as the best cybersecurity training institute in India by Silicon India. Indian Cybersecurity Solutions is 27001 to 2013 and 9001 to 2015 certified company, as well as a member of National Association of Software and Service Companies, Data Security Council of India, Confederation of Indian Industry and Indian Chamber of Commerce. The immense contribution of Indian Cybersecurity Solutions towards the society is highly appreciated and been covered by different media houses. Abhishek, Mitra, CEO and founder, was covered by Zee News Bangla for securing the Co-Win app of the government, where there was an OTP bypass vulnerability, which was later recognized by the central government, and a new circular was passed on the 8th of May, 2021. As Indian airport websites was under cyber attack by Pakistan state-sponsored hackers on 2016, ICSS and their team launched a cyber attack on the Islamabad airport website, and they got into the back end of the server, where they launched a ransomware and handed over the data to the government. When India was under Chinese cyber attack, as the hackers targeted common people by launching massive phishing attack, Indian Cybersecurity Solutions has launched a machine learning and artificial intelligence-based phishing website detection tool for the common people and named it Margdarshak. Margdarshak means the person who leads the way. A character from Mahabharata, Lord Sri Krishna, was the inspiration behind the naming of this application. Indian Cybersecurity Solutions was covered in national medias like Aaj and News 18 Hindi, ABP News, DD National, R+, and many more for the immense contribution in solving cybercrime like ATM scamming frauds, Momo attack, which was an online gaming system that forced individuals to commit suicide. Indian Cybersecurity Solutions was invited for conducting training sessions and workshops in IIT Kharagpur, IIT Guwahati, Jadavpur University, Lovely Professional University, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar Polytechnic College of Midnapur, Ethical Hacking Training in Bhutan with Royal Bhutan Police, Central Intelligence Security Force, India and many more. Indian Cybersecurity Solutions trains more than 5,000 students every year through its channel partners situated across the globe on different technologies like machine learning, cybersecurity, cloud computing, Python programming, R programming, networking, Internet of Things, blockchain, and many more latest technologies and in-demand technologies where cybersecurity also plays an integral part of it. ICSS aims at providing the best training to the students, by allowing them to work on practical internships in their research and development wing that focuses on developing IoT-based Wi-Fi hacking drone, safe, secured artificial intelligence-based vulnerability assessment tool for enterprise, voice command system known as Jarvis, which is like Google Home and Alexa. Students working on this project and in the R&D team, gains enough knowledge and practical exposure that helps them to be job ready and get job through the campus placement drive that we conduct regularly. We are fortunate to place students in companies like ITC Limited, Allied Media, PwC, Rotostat, Amazon India, Deloitte and many more. Students can check the placement records and the companies who have come for the campus placement. Just visit our website and navigate to our students placement record in the menus section, where you can find the emails that we have received from companies that have requested us for the on-campus placement drive. Let's hear it from our students, the experience they had with us.
Anyone who is interested in Python can take this course here because of the friendly environment basically, and they are very helpful.
I'm very much happy with the trainers who have trained me in this domain, in WFPT as well as in CEH. So yeah, if you want me to rate it, I will be providing a high rate to the trainers who have trained me in this field.
Okay, I'm very much happy about the training because the trainers are very friendly and the approach of training is very laborative. So yes, the training throughout the training, it's very. I'm very
CCNA and CEH, and the faculties and the teachers are teaching very well. I liked it. Okay. Please approach CCNA and CEH in this training hub.
So I did this course so that I could know more about the security area of the internet, because that really interests me, and this institute has really helped me to do good.
Summer training on CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker, and it was very good experience here. In interactive classes has been held, and Milan sir has taught very clearly and very profoundly. Each topic has been covered, and we enrich ourselves very much with this training. Thank you very much.
Are so amazing. They make us all professionals to be, we can just go and start in a company in many ways. So they have trained us so